I'm not gonna waste your time. What I'm about to show you requires no skills, no maintenance, just a simple method that practically runs itself once you set it up, and could be making you money every single day. And I said doing nearly nothing because it just requires a one-time setup. That's right, you'll need about 1 to 2 hours to get everything up and running. But once you're done with it, you don't have to lift a finger, literally. After that, it's all passive income flowing in while you do, well, whatever you want. In this video, I'm gonna show you how a basic one-page website is pulling in $2,000 monthly, completely passively, yes. Just a single-page website. There aren't many competitors either. This website was only started in 2022, and it's actually a clone of another site. In fact, all the other competitors are just clones too. But don't worry, I'm not just gonna walk you through the process of building your own version. I've also got a strategy up my sleeve that'll give you an edge over the competition, so make sure you stick around for the whole video. And the website I'm talking about is actually built around a concept that's so simple, you might even overlook it at first. It's based on the viral Wordle craze, yes, a simple word guessing game. The site I'm going to show you replicates that same concept. People play the game, they share it, and they come back the next day for a new word. It's that cycle that keeps users engaged. The good news? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to know how to set this up properly, and that's what we're diving into next. No, you don't need to learn any coding. It's actually way simpler than that. All you have to do is search Wordle clone Git on Google, and you'll find plenty of users who have shared the complete code for the clone. Download that code, upload it onto your hosting platform, and you're all set. I'm assuming you already know how to get hosting from one of my previous videos on affiliate marketing. Now, with just that, you've set up a Wordle clone that's practically guaranteed to generate income via AdSense. But, as promised, I'm going to share a secret strategy to keep users hooked and coming back to your site, instead of heading over to your competitors. And that's by adding a hint feature to your game. Now, I know this might sound tricky if you're new to coding, but don't worry, we're going to get ChatGPT to handle this for us. All you need to do is head over to ChatGPT and input a simple prompt. I'm a complete noob in coding and don't understand complex tech terms. All I can do is copy-paste and follow simple instructions. I have the code for a Wordle game, and I want you to improve it by adding an option for hints. I'll paste the content of different files from the Wordle game code one by one, and you'll modify it to add this feature. ChatGPT will analyze the code and automatically provide the changes you need to add a hint feature. Just copy-paste it, and you're done. Now you have a Wordle clone website with a hint option, making your version more engaging and unique. And here's one more bonus strategy to bring in even more visitors, a little SEO. Just create a blog section and publish posts with Wordle as the focus keyword. I explain in detail how to write SEO-optimized blogs guaranteed to rank on Google in my affiliate marketing video, so if you haven't watched that yet, go check it out. So, to quickly recap, all it takes is a simple Wordle clone, no coding needed. You grab the code, upload it, and you're set to start making money with AdSense. Then, we went a step further by adding a hint option with the help of ChatGPT to give your game that competitive edge and keep users coming back. But we didn't stop there. I also shared the importance of doing a bit of SEO to drive even more traffic to your site by creating blog posts focused on the keyword Wordle, and as I mentioned, you can learn how to do this in detail in my previous affiliate marketing video. This entire setup? It's minimal effort and will take just a few hours of your time. Once it's live, it runs passively, bringing in up to $2,000 a month. Remember, the key is to make your version stand out with that hint feature and SEO strategy. Now that you have the complete blueprint, it's up to you to take action. What are you waiting for?